Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. I hope you're doing well. Another awesome Monday. And today I wanted to talk about decluttering. I know every season I talk about decluttering. And the reason for that is every season you need to take time to remove things that you're not using, the clutter that has accumulated, and why we do that is to shift the energy. Sometimes you feel a stagnation, or if you have accumulated things that are not necessary anymore, as you change, as seasons change, as you grow into your true self, there comes a time when things are not necessary. So the question is, what types of things are you going to be decluttering? You can start from the basic. Maybe your closet, give away some clothes. Maybe your kitchen, some saucepans and containers that you're not using anymore. Then move towards your surrounding and see, does everything here make sense in this season? Do I still need it? Because most of the things you have, once you outgrow them, there may be someone out there that will find use for them, Then you have to check your email, check your social media. In the email, there are so many things we subscribe to, and after a while you realize, I don't need this anymore. Then when it comes to social media, all those groups we join, all the newsletters we subscribe to, declutter. If the group is not necessary anymore, get out of it. Remember, every element in life holds an energy. It has a vibration. So supposing you're in a group and maybe the direction of the group has gone either negative or not as beneficial to you, why stay there? Remove yourself. It's as easy as that. And as you do this, you're going to free up energy. You're going to free up your space to allow the new things to come in, to allow a new fresh flow. Sometimes when we are feeling stagnant, it's because things have gotten stale in our environment. So start with that, declutter, and see the change you'll notice for yourself. This is not a one-time thing. This is something you have to do often as you can remember. Make it part of what you do, removing things as you outgrow them to make room for the new. As always, this is Mother Eagle. I hope this helps. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.